Everyone, welcome to the show. So, a federal judge has ruled that a defamation lawsuit against Rudy Giuliani can move forward to the discovery phase. So, this is going to be really good. This is not the Dominion voting systems case that I'm talking about. The case to which I'm referring was brought by Georgia election workers Ruby Freeman and Wandrea Shaye Moss. You guys will recall Freeman and Moss were vilified, they were targeted by Trump and his allies, and they were scapegoated for his election loss in 2020. It led to death threats against them. People surrounded their homes. It even led to an intruder who forced his way into the home of their mother and grandmother, respectively. Moss's teenage son was threatened. They lost their freedom. They lost their businesses. So Freeman and Moss sued numerous people and entities. I've talked about it before. One of those people is Giuliani. U.S. Chief Justice Beryl Howell is presiding over this defamation lawsuit, and she denied Giuliani's request to dismiss this case against him. So the plaintiffs and the defendant now have to turn over all relevant documents and communications to the opposing counsel. So if Giuliani has any sense left, and that is a big if, he will settle this case as the other defendants have. So far, One American News Network settled, as did their owners. Also, the Gateway Pundit and their owners settled. And why? Because they knew they couldn't prove that these women did a single damn thing wrong. They can't prove it in court because there's no evidence. And they knew that if they had to start turning over their internal communications and their documents, they'd be screwed. So personally, I hope that Giuliani doesn't settle so that we can see everything that he did and he said when the cameras weren't rolling, when dye wasn't dripping down his head. And as I keep saying, it's so telling that when these people and these news outlets get a chance to expose this so-called election fraud that they claim to have taken place, they run. They have their tail between their legs and they run the other direction. They want no part of it. They're completely full of it, and they know that they're full of it. They lied about election fraud to increase views, to make money, and they put people's lives at risk while doing it. Vile, heinous, greedy people. So I'll keep you guys posted on all of this. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.